Hello, estate owners. I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintacla. And for today's touring, we are here in Bellagio Tower 3. So Bellagio is one of the prime project of Mega World. This condo is located here in Burgos Circle, BGC. A good thing about this location is just 10 minutes walk from St. Luke's Hospital and Forbes Town Center. If you're familiar also on the location, there are also a lot of restaurant and then commercials here, just walking distance. And we also have the Burgos Circle here, or the park. So let's start. So upon entering to the unit, you will be greeted by your video intercom. So this is connected directly to the lobby. And over here is the provision for your washer and dryer. On this part is pwede tayong maglagay ng shoe rack. And as you can see, this unit is a loop type studio, but you can convert it into a one-bedroom unit. Over here is your kitchen area. Ayan. Meron na rin tayong outlet here. And then we also have the stainless steel sink. Over here is the location for your exhaust and range hood. So, pwede kayong maglagay dito ng oven. And over here is the location for your fridge. So, we also have cabinets here for your stuff. And over here is the location for your dining area. So, for your dining area, approximate is 5 to 6 seaters for the dining area. And this unit is a floor-to-ceiling glass. So, you have natural lighting at day, and you can open your windows slightly open for your safety. And over here, yan. So, pwede pa kayo maglagay din ng sofa here. And take note, we also have a restroom here. So, yan. Here is your toilet and bath. So, yung toilet and bath niya is hotel type na din. So, luxurious talaga siya and high-end. And now, let's go upstairs to look at your bedroom. So, let's go. By the way, the size of this unit is 77 square meters. So over here, you have the view of the Burgos Circle. And then on this side, there are also commercials here. Yan. So ito yung entrance natin for the parking. And going to the lobby. Here is your bedroom area. So it's very spacious. Over here, kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng office space, pwede pa kayong maglagay ng tables here. And may outlet na rin dito. Yan. And we also have your built-in cabinets here. So we have 6 doors built-in cabinets. And approximate, pwede kayong maglagay dito ng queen-size bed. And over here is the provision for your aircon. So, yan siya. And we have 2 toilet and bath. We have 1 toilet on your living area and 1 toilet on your bedroom. So, here is the toilet and bath in your bedroom. And kahit na loop type siya, high ceiling siya. So, as you can see. So if you want to view this actual unit, this is the newly open and last unit available here in Bellagio. So if you want to view the actual unit, feel free to message me again. I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintacla. Thank you for watching. Bye!